Hey guys! So as you see, I have a complete disaster behind me. Right now, I am about to start, and I sort of semi-started, putting together this big hall entryway hanging apparatus with a bench. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get working on that. It was just something really cute that I thought would add to our house that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was on sale. I got like $150 off of it or something. I got a killer deal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt to put this together. I've already messed up once and I've literally attached 3 pieces. So we'll see how this goes. I already take it back. I've already messed up twice. Over here, the tabs are supposed to be facing up. I put these ones facing forward. Oops. This is just how it goes when I attempt to build things. Apparently the instructions weren't clear enough. Okay, going pretty good. Fingers crossed we continue on this trend. I gotta be honest, before I started doing this, I was tempted to go make pumpkin cookies, but I don't feel like doing it. So I'm doing this. This is my procrastination, is building a piece that might as well have been brought from IKEA because there's so many pieces. It's too short, and I don't know why. Why are you like this? Christmas music. That's just missing. Need to get the good stuff going. On to page 2. Okay, one shelf down. This thing is bigger than I thought it would be. Just had to turn it around. Had to get out the big guns. Got my drill now. Gotta attach the hooks now to the board. Hopefully it is easy. One down. Let's start!